pollution is the presence of substance in the atmosphere that harmful to the health of human and other living beings that cause damage to the climate change and other materials. There are different types of air pollution, such as gases, particulates, and biological molecules. Pollution can cause muddy landscape, soil poisoning, waterways, or kill plants or animals. Humans are also harmed by pollution if long time term exposed to the air pollution. Polluted air is very dangerous for the human because it may cause the increasing the risk of the respiratory infections, heart disease, and lung cancer.
Because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer.
Air pollution have a lot of effects that can cause different factors. Smoke from the company buildings, cigarette, vehicles, and many more. There are places in Sisimon have higher level of pollution, like in Santa Monica, Sisimon. There are a lot of large companies continuous operate even closest to their residential area. That concerned about their health because they struggling with the polluted air by the operating of the companies. The residents of Barangay Santa Monica and Sisimon have been certain to complain regarding on that issues.